Hi, welcome back. Today, we will learn about how to consume Vahana Hub API in vDesigner 2.0. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of consuming Vahana Hub API in vDesigner 2.0. However, we will configure APIs in vConnect before consuming them in vDesigner. Check out our related video if you want to learn how to configure Vahana Hub API in vConnect. Now for the use case 2. We will drag and drop one input field and text element, and when we enter IFSC number in the input field, the bank name is going to be visible in the text element. Let's get started. On the home page, click on the 9 dots, navigate to the development section, select the native mobile application, and then choose your vDesigner mobile application. Click on Go to vDesigner. For designing UI, you need one input field and text field. Now, to create an API, go to the API section, click Create API, and name it. Select the appropriate service, click Consume, and under the request body, add an object. Go to vConnect, locate the configured API, check if the session scope is set to Device, and update it as needed. Save and sync the changes via Release Manager. After syncing, return to vConnect, test the service, and copy the request body. Paste it into the API request body in vDesigner and click on Save. Checkmark the IFSC checkbox and map it to the IFSC input field. Click Next. Define the response object and copy the response structure from vConnect. Open a JSON editor, paste the response, and extract the relevant part of that response which is required to us. Paste it into the response section in vDesigner. Click Save. Checkmark the response, and map it to the text element on which you want to show the response of that API. Click on Review and Save, then Save and Create. Now, return to vDesigner, select the IFSC input field, go to the Event section, and select On Completion Event. Create a new task group, add the Invoke API task, and select the configured API. Add a Reload element task. Select the text element to display the data, and click on Save, Apply, and Save. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.